Coming up in this episode, we visit the Seaton Wetlands, where we battle with the bikes and enjoy the views. And we take a bike ride down to the coast where we enjoy a nice cold drink at a beachside bar. So join us for today's episode. Okay, so good morning, and I say good morning just 'cause it's 11:30 and we are about to take the bikes down to Seaton Wetlands and go for a bike ride. We've done absolutely nothing this morning. I've read my book, bummed around the campervan, just a little bit of a chill out, a couple of hours, but now we are going to head to Seaton Wetlands. We're going to do a bike ride around there and hopefully a bike ride down to Seaton to the beach, and we're going to check out what we need to do for the tram tomorrow. That's what we have to do right now. And this is quite a queue he's got behind on this tractor. We have just cycled about 200 yards into the wetlands and it's really quiet, really easy pass to cycle on. And this is the second one of these we've come across. And you can they have these little holes in the wooden wall here, presumably for bird watching, so you can see out without scaring the birds too much and get some great photos. Let's see what the view's like from up here. Right, honey?
Yeah.
It's really, really quiet as well.
4,600.
And along here somewhere, the tram goes, which we hope to get tomorrow. We did just see it earlier, but didn't have a camera ready. Hopefully we'll see one again. And just over there, you probably can't see, sticking out from here somewhere, is another hide which we're going to stop at as well. This would be a bird watcher's dream, I think.
Through the reed beds to your left. For more on an adventure, carry on to the salt marsh at Colliford Common.
Nice tracks, but not all suitable for bikes, as you can see here. And we saw a few of these cool sculpture type things in the trees. Pretty cool. And yes, we had to drag the bikes through here as well. So we've just cycled that way and I'm about to miss a tram, so I'm going to run. So that was our short and sweet tour of Seaton Wetlands. We are now going to take about a 1.5 mile bike ride along the National Cycle Network Route 2, which is a really long bike ride from east to west, 300 something miles, but we're only going to do about 3 of them down to Seaton and back again. So a little bit of time at the beach, and hopefully we will find somewhere to have a drink and then work out what we're going to do for the rest of the day. So the first part of the ride was on the road, but it wasn't long before we pulled off onto a footpath which continues the cycle trail all the way down to the coast. Yeah. Around Seaton Heritage Trail and number 2, look, Cycle Network 2. So we did it this way because we thought we've got the bikes, we may as well cycle, and we don't have to pay for parking if we leave the car in the Seaton Wetlands car park. So if you're looking for somewhere to see and walk around, and also a bit of a walk down to the coast, then why not do what we did, free parking. Mind your handlebars, Max, it's narrow, mind your handlebars. I did. So here we have to cross a really small road, but it's no problem at all. Ready? And a quick stop in the play park for Max. So quick stop off at the Seaton tramway just to check it out because we are coming here tomorrow, so more on that in the next video. It's just a short visit down to the beach today. We're going to find a quick drink before we cycle back. One is stopping at the Coast Bar and Cafe, then I recommend this beer, very nice indeed. Some people just can't take the hills.